There's some linen material or wood material for the planner or notebook covers. We have many options, different colors, different textures. You can tell me what kind of color do you want. We can take photos for different textures for that color. They are all different. And we can print on some textures, on some materials. We can add the gold foil, various colors for stamping on this kind of material. Some special it has the patterns. It has embossed texture or debossing texture. This is the wood material, the wood. I can show you the details or close photos if you need. If you have any question about this kind of material, please feel free to let us know. Thank you.